So guys, what's the plan for today?
Check on city map.
Jayashree,
Go to London Bridge.
London Bridge by walk?
Yes, 18
What about you?
Let's go.
Let's go then. So guys, let's go to London Bridge from our University Coventry.
Oh wait, let me check on city. Oh, how much time do we need to walk more?
I don't know, buddy.
Oh wait, let me check on city map.
Yeah, okay.
It says 18 minutes. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Guys, so we need to walk towards Tower Bridge. We'll take these steps and we'll walk towards Tower Bridge, okay? Do you need break, Fiji?
Fine.
You're good with it?
Yeah, okay.
I think my classmates are tired. What are you doing here? We have to walk till Tower Bridge.
Why not?
See, you can see there. It's London Bridge. Fiji, shall we go to Tower Bridge or you're done with it?
No, we can go to Tower Bridge.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Avinash,
Yeah.
what do you say? You want to go to Tower Bridge from here?
Yeah, as of now,
Because we reached London Bridge already.
We are happy for this, and it's a beautiful sight to see Tower Bridge. We shall go there and watch.
Okay,
there.
let's go to Tower Bridge. I think we need to take this stairs. Start.
Yeah. So guys, finally we reached Tower Bridge. There you go. It took almost like 25 minutes for us to reach from start from Coventry University to Tower Bridge. We have crossed the London Bridge and we came to Tower Bridge now. So yeah, what do you think? What do you think of the Tower Bridge now? How much time did it take for us? Like 25?
No, more than
More than 25 minutes. Because you took multiple breaks, that's why.
Yeah, no, I didn't take any break. Single break.
Though we take breaks, multiple breaks, or whatever we walked, it is. We felt very good of the time.
It's because you took many snaps between.
But
Yes,
still,
of
we have,
course.
we, have
Yeah,
to, we have to make sure that we have proper view of the city so that we can upload on our channel. But I'm pretty sure we are at the right place to have this proper view of
Yes.
Tower Bridge.
Yes.
We could see the flight.
Yeah, that's a beautiful view.
Do you know what's that? What do you call that?
Buckingham Palace.
No, I don't think that they think so. That's Buckingham Palace.
No,
It's
I
a
don't
church.
know.
I think so.
Let's see. Can we ask someone? No, there's no one here. But yeah, it looks beautiful. Oh, what's that? Belfast. It looks like an army. The city looks beautiful.
Dude, what about you? How you are feeling about the view and the sightseeing places?
Yeah, great.
It's great, right? Yeah. Of course, it is great.
But this is my second time here. I've been here last month, I guess.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, from this view, it's really beautiful because I was there. I couldn't come here, but it's really nice from here. I like the view from here.
Can anyone say when it is built and how it is constructed
I'm
like
not
that?
sure. We have to go there and find it out.
Okay.
But yeah,
But
looks like we're
I can't
completely
walk.
tired now.
Yes.
Enough for
I'm
done for the
totally-
day. We have walked almost like 30 minutes from
Yeah.
Coventry University to London Bridge, and from London Bridge to Tower Bridge. Here we are. I think that's all for today. Pack
Yeah.
up.
We have enjoyed a lot.
Pack up.
Have a good time. We should
Start.
So guys,
What are you guys laughing for?
we reached Tower Bridge.
Tell me so that even I'll also
Took
laugh.
almost like 25 minutes for us to reach.
So yeah,
Start
let's.
from Coventry
I'm
University
shooting
to
this
Tower
video
discussing
to take
about your
crossed
feedback.
London Bridge
Okay,
and
my cooking skill, we'll talk about it later. But right now, I'm gonna ask you feedback for our last time visit for Tower Bridge. Okay, I'll come one by one. Let's start with
Did it take
Fiji.
for us like 25?
Fiji, how did you
More
feel
than 25 minutes. Because you took
visiting
multiple
Tower
breaks,
Bridge
that's why.
with your classmates for the first time in London? How was your experience?
It was good.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Be honest.
Yes.
Because I remember you said, "Oh, I have to take rest. My legs are paining."
No, I don't.
But still, we have to
Okay,
make
so
sure that we have
it was good.
view of
Good
the
experience.
city so that we can
Okay.
upload on our
And if you get a chance, will
we are
you
at the right place
try
have
to do any
proper
travel
view
vlog or any cooking
of Tower
vlog?
Bridge.
Maybe cooking.
Cooking?
We have already done travel, right?
Cooking?
Yeah. So we can try
You know what's that?
Okay, nice.
What do you call that?
Oh, what are you thinking about? You're missing someone? I could see that you're thinking something. Then
So on that day we walked for a so long period.
But yeah.
My legs are hurt and
Oh,
it was
what's that? Very fast.
it's a nice
Experience?
amazing experience. So
Okay.
because apart from the class, we all went there. So it
Okay,
was
you
a
got
good-
time to go and
Yeah.
experience something new.
Explore something
Yeah,
new.
good.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you if you get a chance to do a travel vlog or food vlog, what would you do?
But this is my second time. Yeah, I've
You
been
will
here,
cook?
last month, I
Okay.
guess.
What you will cook?
But yeah, from this view, it's really
like
beautiful because I was
in
there.
chicken recipe.
I couldn't come here, but it was
Okay,
really, it's really
make sure you invite everyone so that we'll come and taste it.
Otherwise, I will give a parcel to everyone. You can eat by in your home.
We'll think about it. Now let's go to Avinash.
Looks like we're completely tired
Avinash,
Yes.
Enough for
so
time
I'm
for the day.
trying to take
We have
feedback
walked
for our
almost
last
like,
time's visit to
30 minutes
Tower Bridge.
from Coventry University
So how was your experience?
to London
It
Bridge,
was good.
and from London Bridge,
It's a nice experience.
Tower Bridge. Here we are.
Traveling,
I think that's all for today.
with you all guys.
Back
I
up.
felt very happy.
Yeah, I've enjoyed a lot.
And I saw London Bridge, Tower
Start.
Bridge as well.
So guys,
It is very nice
finally
experience.
we reached Tower
I
Bridge.
felt like visiting again is a good
It took almost
thing.
like 25
And,
minutes for us to
knowing,
reach from start from
about
Coventry
the Tower
University
Bridge,
to Tower
when
Bridge.
it is constructed.
We have
and
crossed-
So you
what
want
is
to know the history of
Yes.
London Bridge? That's what you meant.
Yes.
Okay.
Once again, I will
Coming
visit.
back to that, if you get a chance to shoot a vlog for traveling or for cooking, what would you choose?
More than
It
25
depends.
because you
Depends
took
on the
multiple
time and
breaks.
mood
That's
of.
why.
Okay. Do you know cooking?
particular period,
Do you know cooking?
Yeah, I know cooking.
Okay, what's your favorite dish?
Chicken biryani.
Okay, make sure next time you cook chicken biryani for everyone, and we'll plan to go to museum or somewhere so that we can
But still,
visit a new place and we can have food.
we have to make sure that we have proper
Make sure you-
so that we can upload on
Make sure you cook for us, okay? So we have Sai Teja here. So Sai Teja, how was your experience?
Yeah, it was the first time we were going out. It was a great experience to me.
You know what's
I
that?
think most of us are new here, so I'm pretty sure it was a great experience for you to go with your classmates for the first time. Okay, so on the scale of 10, how much you rate your experience?
But yeah,
I rate
it was beautiful.
9.
9. Oh, good. That's good. Okay. Okay, if you get a chance to shoot a video regarding travel vlog or regarding cooking, what would you choose?
Yeah, my preference is cooking.
Oh, so are you good at cooking? That's what you meant.
Yeah, some dishes not.
Okay, what's your favorite dish?
I'm cooked just chicken curry. That's
Chicken
it.
curry. Okay, we have Sai Teja who is ready to cook chicken curry. We have Jayashree who is ready to cook any chicken, any recipe with chicken. We have Fiji who is ready to eat. And we have Avinash who is ready to cook chicken biryani. So,
I made
okay.
travel and do travel vlog of that.
He seems to be like covering most of the time. Let's see what he's up to. But yeah, so I think this would be
Enough for
good enough for us to explore or to add some more videos to our YouTube channel. So I think I'll come up.
Tower Bridge. Here we are.
Yeah.
I think that's
My experience was really good. I don't need to come on the video. I have been on video all the time. So yeah, my experience was really good. That was not new for me because I have been to Tower Bridge already. When I moved here,
It took almost like 25 minutes.
I
for
think
us to
6th
reach
or
from
7th day
start
I
from
visited
Coventry
Tower
University
Bridge.
to Tower
So it was
We
not
have
quite
crossed the
new for
London
me,
Bridge and
but it was
we
good
came to
because
Tower
last time I went alone, but this time I went with my friend.
What do you think?
So yeah, it was fun going out with friends. But yeah, I hope you guys try to
Did it take for us?
do something in the coming videos so that we need to upload 4 videos for our assignment. So that should be, that's all. Bye.
We as a team, Vishal, Jayashree, Fiji, Teja and myself Avinash went to London Bridge. We started from Coventry University, London campus and reached to London Bridge. We went by walk. It's a good time by going walk. We did many conversations over there. We took many pictures as well. After reaching to London Bridge, we thought of going to new places. So we went to Tower Bridge as well. After reaching to the Tower Bridge, we took many pictures there also. So it's the shortest distance from London Bridge to Tower Bridge. Again, we did many conversations over there. We thought of exploring new places in London. So we will be uploading new videos of London, and we will be in touch with you. Stay tuned to our channel. Have a good time. Bye.